Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Hello students. Let's evaluate some statements about the human eye. Consider the following statements in the context of the human eye. Statement A. The diameter of the eyeball is about 2.3 centimeters. Statement B. Iris is a dark muscular diaphragm that controls the size of the pupil. Statement C. Most of the refraction for the light rays entering the eye occurs at the crystalline lens. Statement D. While focusing on the objects at different distances, the distance between the crystalline lens and the retina is adjusted by ciliary muscles. The correct statements are Option A and B. Option B, A, B, and C. Option C, B, C, and D. Option D, A, C, and D. Let's analyze the anatomy of the eye to find the correct answer. Here is a cross-section of the human eye. The eyeball is nearly spherical in shape, with a diameter of approximately 2.3 centimeters. The iris is a dark muscular diaphragm that controls the amount of light by adjusting the size of the pupil. Now, light rays entering the eye undergo maximum refraction at the outer surface of the cornea, not the lens. Let's evaluate the first two statements. Statement A is correct because the eyeball is nearly spherical with a diameter of about 2.3 centimeters. Statement B is also correct. The iris is indeed a dark muscular diaphragm controlling the size of the pupil. Next, let's look at statement C regarding refraction. Most of the refraction occurs at the outer surface of the cornea. The crystalline lens merely provides fine adjustments. So, statement C is incorrect. Finally, let's evaluate statement D about focusing. The distance between the eye lens and the retina is strictly fixed. Ciliary muscles help in focusing by modifying the curvature of the lens to change its focal length. So, statement D is incorrect. So, what is our final conclusion? The only correct statements are A and B. This perfectly matches with option A. Let's select option A as the correct answer. Great job! Hope you understood the concepts well. Happy learning!